Yeah, good evening, guys. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Trust you are good. Well, mo fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa the recent issue that's going on online, the dragging, back and forth and everything. I would have talked about it before now, though, but because of the notion for the return of Arinzo, I decided to keep quiet, to hold on.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, arábìnrin tí a mọ̀ sí MOTUN tí a fi ẹ̀sùn kàn wípé ó ń fi orúkọ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó òfin gba bára òfin ti àjọ lórí TikTok ó ní ó jáde ó wá sọ̀rọ̀ bí gbogbo rẹ̀ ṣe rí ó wá clear ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ jẹ́ ká fetí sí ọ̀rọ̀ tí MOTUN sọ kí a lè gbọ́ yékéyéké.
For a while, maybe after the return of Arinzo sold out and everything, then I will now come out to say my own side of the story. So note, guys, even it is not even me yet saying my side of the story. I am just here to clear some facts. And the first fact is about them saying I'm using IYABO OJO's name to collect money from people, which is a very big lie, because I have never used IYABO OJO's name to collect money from anybody. I have never used IYABO OJO's name to collect money from anybody. This gang fighting, gang dragging and everything was all a plan. You understand? If there's anyone that has paid me because of the fans club or has did anything into the fans club, they did it willingly. I never forced anybody. And I never collected money from anybody forcefully or used IYABO OJO's name to collect money from anyone. That's number one. Number two, about me using IYABO OJO's name to create an AJO group, it is also a very big lie. I am not using IYABO OJO's name to create group. I've been of AJO community for about 5 years now. And in that 5 years, I will not lie that this kind of thing has not happened before, because it is an experience that you will experience as an AJO admin. So this video I want to make, I only want to see those that are experienced in AJO. If you know you are an admin or you've been into coordinating AJO, those are the people I want to see on this video. Please, please and please. And for those of you that are judging without hearing my own side of the story, that you are judging me based on the manipulative words they put together because they want you to believe something wrong about me for them to achieve their aim. Well, good luck to everybody, because at the end of the day, God is going to judge us all. I have a group which is the Mona Thrift and Community Loan. I've been doing it for a very long time, not today. So when we started the IYABO OJO Social Fans Club, I used to post on my status, and there are some people that I have close relationship with based on the way we interact and talk. They joined this group willingly, not because it was IYABO OJO's name. I'm going to be dropping a lot of evidence, a lot of proofs and everything, maybe after this video, but I just want to make a short video to let you know that I have deleted the name IYABO OJO's Fans Club on my own platform because she asked me to do so. I have done it. And that is their aim, actually, because they feel like maybe there's something I'm getting from IYABO OJO and they also want to get it, and they are not getting it, and there's nothing actually that I'm getting from her. Maybe that's because of why they are doing all these things. But at the end of the day, I'm so sorry this video is coming in the night because I have to make it before tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'm going to make a proper video, if God willing. But the truth is, I have an AJO community, and there are few people that I removed from the AJO due to the things they did. And there are people that I didn't remove, but because they stopped paying AJO, they are not going to collect their money until the AJO ends. Some of the AJO is going to end next month, and some of it is going to end May. So, and I have told them to wait for me till those that are going to end in May, April. I told them to wait for me till April. They are going to collect their money, and I told the ones for the May that they should wait till the AJO end, that they are going to collect the money, which I think that is what a normal admin would do. You understand? So they're coming together, piling themselves up with the person that calls herself my friend, arranging themselves together just because they feel like if they put a narrative outside there, my name is going to be, they will drag me, they're going to, give me a name that does not belong to me. I am putting everything into God, and may God judge each and every one of us. That's just it. So there is a woman that started a job with me sometimes ago, and something happened between me and her. We had a fallout, and she stopped paying her job. I'm going to tell you guys the full story tomorrow on my live video because it is night already. So I told her to she stopped paying her job for like 2 weeks, and she had people in the group that she brought, but she just suddenly stopped paying her job. So because she stopped now, there's nothing I can do than to wait. So she had some other groups that has finished actually, but I cannot give her money until the particular one that she's in, that is not finishing yet until May. I have to wait till that time because I don't want to ruin the money. I have people that are going to come. They are going to come and talk about it. This woman has collected money from me more than, when I calculated it, I have the receipt of everything, even more than 6 to 7 times she has collected money from me. So if she's now coming outside now, packing themselves together with people that even this is not their turn yet. There's a lady, her name is Juliet. Kò tí tó àsìkò tó fẹ́ gba àjọ lọ́wọ́ mi. Àjọ ẹ̀ ṣì máa di May kó tó gba àjọ lọ́wọ́ mi. Her name is second to the last. She's together with them. There's a guy, he's also together with them. All of them, they pack themselves together for a reason which I know, and they know that that's the reason why they are doing it. They arrange themselves together with Alabike. You people know Alabike on Facebook, and she made a video for me. She dragged me in that video, calling me that I'm using IYABO Ojo's name to collect money. I wish she know that it is not true. So guys, I'm just making this short video. You already see that it is night. So tomorrow morning, I'm going to do a live video about it, or tonight rather. I'm going to make a live video about it, to talk about it and to explain myself in full details. I'm making this video because of my people that have been reaching out to me. Motun, what's going on? Motun, what's going on? Because I cannot be taking all calls. You understand? That's the reason why I made this video. Please guys, pardon me until I'm able to make the full video or a live video to explain myself properly. And about the woman that was crying today that she wants to collect money, the woman is in a group of 10 weeks, and they've collected money from number 1, number 2 down to number 8. It is her turn, which is number 9. She was supposed to collect the money this week, but because of some reason, some people delayed, which those people told me that they were going to sort the money out tomorrow morning. But because she had already seen that Alabike is dragging me, she also had to go and meet Alabike for them to drag me together.